Thought I'd give everybody an update on the e-bike build. We are at a standstill right now. We got everything hooked up and found out the battery don't work. So $800 frickin' battery doesn't work. It sat in a box for a while. I didn't try it, so I had to get the multimeter out and everything and figure out what the hell was wrong and then when I got the motor kit, we got this block. It didn't even have nuts or anything to hold it down. It's just cheap ass freaking China crap. So luckily I had a bunch of these little nuts I could put on there and everything worked. So I got everything wired up and hooked up. Nothing. Looking around, checking everything, getting the multimeter out, trying this and that. I find out the battery has no power. So I have a separate power supply that I use to make sure it works. So I've had the battery for a couple months just sitting in a box waiting for me to build the bike. Well, they decided they were going to replace it. Because I proved to them in a video that the battery didn't work. So they're going to replace it. But the problem is, it's not the same size. I think I can make it work. It's just a little bit thinner, but it's taller than the other one. So I don't think we're going to have any problems. I'm going to put some neoprene rubber on all these and then down here too to keep the battery nice and protected. So it should be fine. We got the ESC mounted underneath. Good to go. It sits, feels real good. So we're just waiting on the battery. And I got a new twist throttle that has a battery readout and a key built in. So we'll be changing this piece of crap right here. So I'm hoping to get 45 to 50 miles an hour out of this sucker. Should be just a nice cruising kind of beach bike type thing. So we did start a Facebook page called M22 e-bikes because we're going to build some more. I think I'm going to make this one. I'm going to make an R version with the QS 120 or the QS 138 and maybe a better quality battery. And then maybe like an actual chopper one. I want to get a tubing roller so I can make that big tall arc and sit back here and then have short bars, but the spine be real high, kind of like a chopper, and then have my rake a lot shallower. So we'll see. All in good time. Currently on the lookout for a better pipe bender. Just one of them ratcheting ones with the dial on it so I can get my bends exact every time, because it works well, but you've got to really, you're just kind of guesstimating on the size, and I'd rather it be exact. So another thing, not real proud of this mess right here, but I think I'll put a decorative piece on here to cover that up and stuff, and use Bondo and everything, make it look fine. But this is my first one, so not too worried about it. But once it's all painted black, you ain't gonna notice anything like that anyway. So yeah, that's where we're at. We are just waiting for the battery.